friends, this is feedback on Trendy Africa. We have feedback from Onyesoh. It says, thank you, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, giving us Brother Chukwuebuka Anozie Obi. At the tender age of 8, young Chukwuebuka's spiritual gifts began to manifest. He would give prophecies to people known and unknown to him, and it would come to pass just as he had prophesied. Evangelist Ebuka Obi's work is evident by the number and kinds of miracles continually recorded. This includes the blind seeing, the lame walking, the deaf hearing, the spiritually possessed and oppressed set free, divine healing of different kinds of disease, to mention but a few. That's all for now on our feedback. Keep sending your comments, your feedback, and we will respond to it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Trendy Africa.